Hey guys, so welcome to the first video of this YouTube channel, and the channel is going to be Design Hunt. So what exactly it is, we are going to hunt for design issues and understand what exactly the product is trying to deliver and what exactly it needs to improve on. And it is going to be just a learning thing, and it's no way going to be something misjudged by things, and it's just going to be for educational purpose and understanding the real design perspectives and how the product can be done better and how things can go well. So actually design is like an iceberg. As you see, the things that you are able to see are not what exactly the design is. There is a lot of things that is underlying, and when a new entrepreneur or a technology guy starts with his new product, uh, pretty much a lot of times they just underestimate the power of design and go with some things which causes them a lot after some time. So it's what the main motive channel. There is nothing to discourage or nothing to show faults on the products, but it's just the thing that people have to just understand design, and let's just move right away. And what exactly I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to take products to products and just I'm going to compare the design and also the strategy, how the product is working and what exactly can be done to improve. Or it's just going to be my perspective. There's nothing to say that you have told this and it's not like that, and just fall on me, and let's get started. So guys, let's go to the popular, and I just saw a grammar thing which worked really well yesterday, and I just loved using it. So I really want to go and get that thing or any other place. So let's, yes guys, let's check out some new thing that we can talk about, so that we will be able to do something more useful this time. And I'm checking for a cool app which I would like to talk about. So, so let's get started with this. This seems something interesting because being a designer, I'm a great fan of Figma and I do a lot of designs in Figma. So I really think something of Figma can help me out. Let me see if things are getting recorded because it's some of the first times I'm just trying out things. And come on, guys. So I just saw it's a collaborative clubhouse for Figma users. It syncs pages, frames, and manage feedback tasks. So I don't think I want to go in this thing for the first video, and let me check it out. I really saw an amazing grammar app yesterday. I really don't know where it got lost, but it was super awesome. Yeah, here's it, guys, for you. And I really wanted to show this thing. I really thought that you should be going and jumping and trying out this product for sure, because it's AI based grammar checking app, and its onboarding was super clear. What I really wanted to talk about. And I think my internet is a little slow, and I think you guys will bear with me as it loads, and let's get it rolling. Yeah, guys. So it's a writing tool, and I checked it yesterday. It says that AI grammar checker works 1,000% better than the non-fluent English writers, and they also gave a comparison between Grammarly, LanguageTool, Google Docs, and the screenshots. It seems. Let's go check it out. They have compared pretty much everything, and they are assuring that their app is one of the best, and it's in par with all of the other products over there. So it uses NLP technology. If you don't know, NLP is natural language processing, which is a part of machine learning, AI, and all of those things. So it pretty much like when it uses natural language processing, it pretty much acts like a human being and tries to understand the real intent of the line, and it's going to give you the right recommendations and the changes for the lines, right? The things that, and it says AI powered grammar checker, and see the call to action is pretty much awesome, and it says it's free to use. I think uh, it could be something more highlighted, because free to use is what a lot of companies use, try for free as a call to action. But I really think for a grammar app, I really think start writing is a great any call to action. But I really think if this is more highlighted, it could be really great. So AI powered grammar checker, upgrade your grammar, dictation and style, right fluent. It's pretty clear, guys. The hero section has great power packed lines which really showcases what exactly the app does. And this cool illustration, the video that's playing on over here, it's explaining a lot of things. And also these people have a ton of languages. That's really great. And I also wish, I don't know why this much gap is given, but I think if it is if it goes up, it would be really great. And layout is very clean, super fine, and I really love this background which they are doing, and the card surrounds having their own shadows and looks pretty elegant. And the call to action is at the end as well. I really like people when they follow up and show the call to action, because the conversions improve a lot, because uh, when there is a product, the main important thing is that users have to use it, and the people who visit the landing page should convert into paid customer or just try out the product, which these people at the up and down, they have pretty much shown it. And I really think it's a great thing, and I'm going to get started writing it. So let me see how the onboarding goes and what exactly the tool is. I'm super excited to see some app which says that it's better than other grammar tools, Grammarly, Google Docs, and it says that it's pretty much better than other tools. So I'm really pumped up to see what exactly they're up to, and what the tool is really going to do, and what value it has to deliver to me. And same goes, guys. Internet is slow, and I will really ensure that the next video I would take up at a better place where I get good internet. So this is the loading stage, looks pretty awesome. And so, so there's a writing style which says concise, short, professional, conversational. That's really great, guys. So it's basically understanding the intent. Anyway, it's a pro feature, but I really want to see that there's a default, there's a concise. It's a conversational thing as well. It allows. So it pretty much understands you as a human and tries to understand what exactly you are trying to convey to the people, and just going to take according to that. Uh, so it says people have a hard time understanding. So it actually takes the user's inputs and sees if um, what exactly it has to offer, and it understands the uh, technicalities, integrities that the user is trying to is possessing. And I also see there are some typical settings, and the UI really looks very clean. I think this is the first version of the thing, so I really think it pretty much solves. Let's directly check it out, guys. It's getting pretty late due to my internet connection. So I forget, right. So I really know that write shouldn't be there. It should be writing, and that's pretty nicely guessed. And if I click this apply, what's going to happen? Is it going to change over there? That's pretty great, guys. So it's really great. And when I came yesterday checking out this product, it also provides multiple options to choose from for the right thing. Let's check out. Say I am review this product let's check. Definitely it's wrong. Wantedly I'm making it wrong. That's see, this is the feature I'm talking about. And when there's something, they have pretty much shown this thing. User pretty much understands that there's distinction, and this is pretty much laid very nicely, and the effects as well are really cool. And this shows that they are providing a free quota of like 1,000 words, and that's cool. And this thing in the bottom really feels awesome. Like chatbot integrations and support systems have been the basically the conversational AI have been very important for apps these days to provide support. And as the customer's experience increases, right, guys? So uh, taking the queries of customers and understanding and building on it, and also engaging with them at the first point is very much important, which can be achieved using chatbots like this. So the best features I like about this is like the way it positions with a clean uh, view of the things. And this I think this apply button can be even bigger call to action, because I really don't know when there are a lot of text. I think it goes to the bottom, but I really think the call to action can be even better. And I feel pretty much it, guys. On this side, it has a great interface, very minimal design with a very good intention, and also expresses pretty much it. So this is the AI Gramara, which you can find it at gramara.com. Also, the link in the description below. So this is my first review, guys. So let me know how what are the UI UX reviews you want on digital products. So basically, I want to bring in real life products, digital products, and understand, make case studies on how they look and what can be improved. I really think you have understood some things, and also I want you guys to uh, just see the design and have keen observations while going through the video, so that you can just pick up some things which you can apply for your upcoming projects. The major takeaways is this clean call to action and this power pack thing, and definitely having a illustration and a video kind of a thing on the right side explaining what exactly it does is a positive point. And at the same time, having things like minimal design and as well as a chatbot integration for customer experience is pretty much great. This is all I wanted to share with this thing, guys. I really think you have got something out of this. Do subscribe, so that I'm coming up with a tons and tons of digital reviews for UI UX of digital products which are like new to market products. You can learn a lot of things and try to apply in your own product. As well as if you have found a CXO or designer, I think this is a channel for you where you can get a lot of value out of things I do. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get rolling. And a lot of episodes are going to come, guys, so do subscribe, and see you in the next.